Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host, Manish C.H. Hetry. Today we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency prices and analyzing what's driving these movements. So, what's going on in the crypto space? Well, if you've been keeping up with our latest news, you'll know that Bitcoin and Ethereum have stabilized after a wild ride over the past few weeks. Now, let's take a closer look at how these two giants are performing. Bitcoin, often considered the king of cryptocurrencies, has seen some significant price swings recently. However, over the past 24 hours, it's been trading relatively flat, with no major surprises either way. That being said, Bitcoin bulls are still holding out hope for a breakout above $50,000. And at Bitcoin Bulletin, we've got our eyes on this developing story. Now, Ethereum is another cryptocurrency that's often in the spotlight. With its smart contract capabilities and growing DeFi ecosystem, it's no wonder why Ethereum's price has been attracting so much attention lately. Recently, it's seen a surge in buying activity, pushing its value above $3,000 for the first time in weeks. But what about Ripple? The XRP community's been buzzing with excitement as prices show signs of strength. At Bitcoin Bulletin, we've got our finger on the pulse of this developing story, and I can tell you that XRP is looking like it might be a contender to watch. So why are these cryptocurrencies stabilizing while others continue to struggle? Well, according to some analysts, one reason for Bitcoin's recent stability could be its increasing adoption by mainstream investors. With institutions starting to take notice of the potential of this technology, we're seeing more people jumping into the market. Ethereum's price surge is largely attributed to the growth of its DeFi ecosystem and the increasing number of developers building on top of it. This has led to a significant increase in liquidity and demand for ETH. XRP, on the other hand, has seen a surge in buying activity after the launch of its new RippleNet 2 platform. This upgrade aims to improve the speed and scalability of cross-border payments, making it more attractive to investors. So what does this mean for your portfolio? At Bitcoin Bulletin, we're always keeping an eye on these developing stories and analyzing their potential impact on the market. We've got our finger on the pulse of what's driving these price movements, so be sure to stay tuned for our latest updates. And finally, if you want to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to cryptocurrency prices, make sure to follow us on social media or subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video from Bitcoin Bulletin.